You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two letters together. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English and in other languages as well, more pronunciations. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. So how do you pronounce those two letters together in a word? Well, it depends on the language and the origin of the word. In English, this is generally said simply as K, just ignore the H, it doesn't matter. In a language like Vietnamese, it is said as H, H. In Arabic, H, H. Now in French, just like in English, it is pronounced just like a K. Same in many other languages as well. So K or different pronunciations depending on the language. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.